Okay, second year. In this video, I want to show you how you're going to learn about graphic elements as part of your graphic design project. So I've got a PowerPoint here that explains this. So I'll play the PowerPoint slideshow. Play. So in terms of curriculum for excellence, this covers the following outcome, which is written at the top in blue. Having explored graphical techniques and their application, I can select, organise and represent information and ideas graphically. And that's a level 3 outcome in CDT. So when you come to class, the lesson will be on graphic elements. So if you look at the learning intentions, it says to learn about the importance of research in a graphic design task. So in your previous lesson, you found pictures of graphics or graphic designs for the front cover of a console, or it could have been the front cover of an album, and you put them onto the relevant page in SerifDraw Plus. Now, having done that, when you come into class, the next thing that I want you to do is to add comments to these examples relating to graphic elements. And the graphic elements that you'll add comments about include line, shape, colour, texture, size, value, and space. So to be successful in this task, what you have to be able to do is add, that's the second one here, in my research, I can add annotations explaining the use of graphic elements in graphic design. So here is the sheet that you were issued in class. In this sheet you will use to add these annotations, and the sheet basically contains information on all of the graphic elements. Here is an example of the front cover of an album where annotations have been added using that sheet on graphic elements. So this example uses line. So this, where it says line here, this is obviously taken from the sheet. So if you go back, remember you will be using this sheet here. So line here, you would choose that. And what does it say about line? A line is a mark between 2 points. There are various types of lines, from straight to squiggly to curved and more. Lines can be used for a wide range of purposes: stressing a word or phrase, connecting content to one another, creating patterns, and much more. So when you look at your examples that you've collected from the internet, what we could do is we could try and see how line has been used in these examples. So in this particular example, where we've got the front cover of an album, here we can see that under the word college, there is a line. So we can say that the word college is underlined to emphasize or stress this word. And that's what it says in the description of line. It says here that a line can be used for stressing a word. So that would be an acceptable comment, showing how line has been used in an actual example. We've got another example here at the bottom right hand corner, where it says the line of the spears connects to the vertical banner to the text at the top of the corner, at the top corner. So again, if you look at the description on line can be used to connect to one another or content to one another, and that's an example of line being used exactly for that purpose. You would then choose another graphic element and try and find in your examples that you got from the internet where that graphic element has been used. In this case, this slide, we can see it's about shape, and it says height and width equals shape. We all learn basic shapes in grade school, triangles, squares, circles, and rectangles. Odd or lesser seen shapes can be used to attract attention. There are three basic types of shape: geometric shapes, which are triangles, squares, circles, etc. Natural shapes, that includes leaves, animals, trees, people, and abstract shapes, which in brackets it says includes icons, stylizations, and graphic representations. So in this particular example of a front cover, we could write the comment, the odd abstract shape with the natural face contained within attracts attention. Now, just to stress, it's important that you not only identify the use of a graphic element, you also include why it's been used in your comment. Okay, so this is what you're going to do when you come into class in relation to the examples of graphic design that you copied and pasted from the internet into your Serif document. Okay, thank you for listening.